Okay, y'all, so we are about to pack my daughter's car up because she is leaving to go to her new destination. I'll let her announce where she's going, but she got a new place and she's starting a new life. So I pray nothing but the best over her. What I've learned from her being gone for a year, she's a responsible young lady. She has her head on straight and she knows exactly what she wants to do. So I'm wishing her well. And of course, big sister always gonna be here to help her little ducklings. Help her little ducklings out. You shouldn't even put that in her car. She said she didn't want it, but you're still trying to make her.
I see.
All right, y'all, we're making a little progress. She got them all. Just get this one.
Okay, I'm looking though for other little bitty stuff. While I leave this one, I can come back and get off.
Yeah, he's gone. He's clearly out to lunch, you guys.
I don't pack like that.
You don't pack it all.
Break this.
That woman's stuff because she did a good job
Getting it here just for Harry to go mess it up.
I didn't want to put it in. Still not getting the big picture. I see. The hell you think put this in?
She put it in by herself, so it should be no problem.
I'm just saying, that's why I brought the blanket. She gonna get you. All this stuff. No problem.
Doesn't listen.
Takes over the whole car. The only thing.
We're condensing some things, guys, because like these boxes are unnecessary. Yeah. Go on and put that one in.
Uh-oh.
Yep, let's see, can we get this one blown? Her picture when she was little. All right, y'all, we doing pretty good. We don't got that much stuff left to get in. We're gonna make it happen.
How did that shoebox get up there? You were supposed to put that
Where?
stuff up here.
I told him not to put that there. Okay, y'all, so y'all see how I'm looking. I done took my hair down. The car is fully packed. One more bag to go in, and we are done with that. And yeah, I'm gonna let y'all see the full, no, yeah, what is it called? I'm gonna let y'all see how packed it is. Hold on. All right, y'all. Mary is leaving. She's going on her new venture. I'll let her tell y'all where she's going later. Y'all stay tuned for her vlogs. And yeah.